Hey ladies, are you like me and you just have that one wig that you love to hate? Yes, I am talking about that wig. The one that you wear the most. I'm going to show you how to go from that to this gorgeous, fabulous, new and improved wig. Like, it's insane. And these are the products that we're going to be using today, and I'll have that in the bio for you. Alright, so let's get started. Let's go ahead and brush that wig out, and we're going to give it some love. So the wig is pretty dry, and I would suggest using a intense moisturizer conditioner and also a heat protecting spray, as we're going to be using the flat iron, so we don't want to burn it. This wig is a synthetic human hair mix, so I don't want to do too much to it, but just enough to revive it back to its almost natural state. Alright, so we need some bobby pins, of course. We gotta get those hairs out the way. And yes, that's my mannequin head. She is fabulous, honey. I had to decorate her to fit my aesthetic. Alright, so we're just gonna use a little bit of conditioner, and you're going to just rub it in between the hair, not a lot, and then you're going to spray some of the heat protectant. Just peel a little part away, and then you're going to straighten that little piece. And pretty much for the rest of the video, you're going to be doing that throughout the whole hair. I've been doing this technique for years, and it's literally the easiest thing you can do to help revive the wigs back. Like, this wig isn't at the worst state possible, as I did curl it, so the curls look better on it, but it was starting to feel a little brittle. So yes, I had to give it some love this week, and yeah, just go ahead and take a look and we'll see how it turns out. Alright, and she is already looking great. Like, this is crazy. It's almost like a brand new wig, right? I love it. It's a great length and it's moving right now. Yes. Stiff wear. Stiff wear. So I put the wig on and it's in pretty decent shape. I plucked the front a little bit before. I don't like to do too much plucking. I want it to look as real as possible, and I kind of like that the hair is pushed back like that. So what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and cut some baby hairs out of this, because this particular wig didn't have any. So I'm going to make my own, and of course just gotta use some got to be glue, and I'm gonna do some foam and wrap lotion, I believe, and the other got to be glue spray just to hold the edges down. Alright, so just gonna go ahead and do that with a toothbrush really quick, and I will be back. Alright, so them edges is laid down. And we're just gonna brush it out, and here is the final look. And this looks great. I mean, for an old wig, I think the wig was only like 30 bucks, and I've had it for a while, and I just wanted to do something new, and I think I accomplished that today. I mean, what do you guys think? Alright, so thank you for watching this video, and I hope that you please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys later.